Hello, and welcome back to my math YouTube series. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Andrew, a local Bay Area tutor. I offer in-person and virtual tutoring, and I'm the one behind these helpful videos. Be sure to check out my website via the link in the video description below, and please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now, on to today's subject, special triangles. I'm going to be covering two popular types of special triangles, the 30-60-90 triangle and the 45-45-90 triangle. First, we're going to talk about the 30-60-90 triangle, and I'll draw one for you here to take a look at. Note how the shortest angle is going to open up to the shortest side. That is the 30 degrees to the x. And the largest angle will open up to the longest side. I'll replace the words with the variables that relate these sides. I'll show you what I mean. That would be the shortest side. That would be the second shortest side. And this would be the longest side, otherwise known as the hypotenuse. So the shortest side we'll call x. The second shortest side we'll call x times root 3, and the hypotenuse is 2x. Now I'll move this over to the side for a minute because let's talk about the other special triangle, a 45-45-90 triangle. Again, note how the shortest angle, the 45 degrees, opens up to the shorter sides, which are both x. And the largest angle, the 90 degrees, will open up to the largest side, the hypotenuse. This is a 45-45-90 degree triangle. Just like last time, I'll replace the words with the variables that are going to relate these sides to one another. But first I'll show you the words. We've got the hypotenuse across from the 90 degrees and the two 45 degree angle sides that are actually equivalent because they both have the same angle that open up to them. So we'll call both of those x. And I'll move this triangle to the side. We'll do a little practice here. I think we'll start with a 30-60-90 degree triangle. So let's say I've been given the length of the hypotenuse, and let's say I want to find the other two sides. This is a 30-60-90 degree triangle, so I can relate the sides to our little diagram we made. That'll help me find the other two sides. So the 22 is kind of the same as the 2x, and the other two sides correspond to their side colors that we labeled them. So I'll actually be able to solve for x, which is cool because the hypotenuse is going to be able to get us right to the shortest side, which is half of the hypotenuse. And then to get that middle leg, we have to do a little bit more math, but we know the shorter leg's 11, and we know the middle leg is just going to be root 3 times that. So we got our answers. Now let's practice with a 45-45-90 degree triangle as an example. Let's say that I've again been given the length of the hypotenuse and I want to find the other two sides. Let's use our diagrams again. I've used blue for the x and y side because they're actually the same. And then what I can do is solve for x to get my two remaining sides, because we know that the hypotenuse is just our shorter side times root 2. So let's divide both of those sides by root 2, and we'll get an answer, but we can't leave it as 15 over root 2. So we actually have to do a little bit more math here. Multiply both sides by root 2 over root 2 to then get our final answer, which is going to be 15 times root 2 divided by 2. I'm going to end this video with a diagram of both triangles for you to hopefully look at and copy into your notes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.